Juicy, irresistible chicken laps is what I brought for you today. This is so simple, direct, but super delicious. It is so juicy, and it will fall off just easily. And I'm telling you, it tastes super delicious. You can rock it like this, or you serve it with rice, or you serve it with fries. Let's get it started. Those are the chicken laps I'll be using. They're already well washed. I'm not just going to leave it like this. I'm going to cut it off so that the ingredients that I'll be using will be able to enter well into it, and it will keep it super delicious. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers, newcomers. You're also welcome. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, share. Thank you and God bless you. So lovelies, after opening it like this, I'm now going to arrange it one after the other in a baking glass. You can also use a baking tray. So after that, let's prepare the marinade. What I have here is salt. I added ginger into it. I added garlic powder into it. And I'm going to add seasoning mixture. I'm going to add nutmeg into it, and I'm going to add barbecue mixture. After that, I added chili flakes. I want it spicy, and I added paprika powder into it. What I have here is seasoning cube. So I crushed it, and I also added brown sugar into it. So I added vegetable oil. I'm just going to mix everything together now and let them become one. Have you shared this video? Make sure you share it so that you will have the video whenever you're ready to prepare yours. So now I brought by the chicken. I'm now going to pour some of the marinade on top of it, and I'm going to massage it well into the chicken. Take your time to do this. Massage it well until you coat everything with it. It's now time to flip it over, and I'm just going to pour the remaining marinade on top of it, and I will also massage it very well. So lovelies, this is what you're going to have. I covered it with a kitchen foil. I placed it in oven 180 centigrade for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, I brought it out. This is what I have. It's now time to take a spoon and cover the whole chicken with the juice that came out of it. Just like this. Cover the whole chicken with the juice, and I'm going to leave it open like this. Place it back into the oven 180 centigrade for 30 minutes. After that, lovelies, this is what came out of the oven. This is super delicious. The inside here is super juicy, so tender. You can see how it is falling from the bone. You can see how tender and super yummy it is. The back is crunchy. It's a must try for everyone. Thank you for watching.